Moving on to the next winner, he has over 30 years of experience in automobile industry. He shared all his knowledge in the book, which received immense praise and from experts and readers. He is the author of the book Motorsounds, Audio Simplified. So let's put our hands together for
Ravi Nandanjo. We request Ravi to say a few words.
First of all, it's a great evening here around, and I'd like to thank Nitinji and Shalini to bring up this platform. This platform has inspiration for us to ride ahead more and more motivation. And my journey was from entrepreneur to author. This is where, it started 3 years back. I thought of writing because one thought came into my mind. Instead of increasing my business, let's start working towards generating employment. So that thought, I started writing the book and shared my entire knowledge of my business. It's basically the trick of a trade, which rarely a businessman exposes. So I've written this book, I shared all the knowledge, and it's doing well. A lot of people call me and they say I'm their mentor. And I don't know who they are, but they are inspired. And this award signifies triumph, not only myself, but for the entrepreneur who stepped outside the comfort zone and opened up his knowledge to the world.